Hey, Jamie Hartley here from Crossfader, and we're back with another tutorial video. This one is all about how to utilize the slicer mode on your controller. For this example, we're going to use Rekordbox and the DDJ-RR and DDJ-RB, but it's featured on most DJ hardware and DJ software. So if you've got access to the slicer mode, make sure to keep watching. Please remember as well to comment, like, subscribe, share, and do all that good stuff to help us keep making videos like this. I hope you can get some inspiration and ideas from this tutorial to apply to your own sets and your own music. For these tricks, the slicer mode is set up with a quarter or half beat roll across 8 beats in length. Each performance pad basically equals 1 beat of music. Let's use the slicer to create a remix version of a drop. Here is a simple pattern, just watch and follow along with the beat counter. Straight away, you can take a recognizable melody but switch it around, making it unique to your own set. Let's now make this a little harder by using offbeat timing to create a delayed effect. Here is another example in slicer loop mode that just starts by using one of the pads. It then gets more complex to give you a few other ideas. Hopefully now you can utilize some of these ideas and apply them into your sets. The slicer mode is a great feature. It works on particular tracks. Try and find those tracks that it works really well on and then just get creative. If you want to learn way more tricks like this, then click the link and check out what courses we have available, from Rekordbox to Serato, from beginner controllers to advanced controllers. Please comment below any tricks that you would like me to run through, and also make sure to subscribe. Have fun mixing, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.